Reducing paper towel use is an important step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Paper towels are often seen as a convenient solution for cleaning up spills, drying hands, or wiping surfaces, but their widespread use contributes significantly to environmental waste. The production of paper towels involves the cutting down of trees, which not only depletes natural resources, but also results in the release of carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change. Moreover, the manufacturing process consumes vast amounts of water and energy, and the paper towels themselves are often treated with chemicals that are harmful to the environment. Once used, paper towels are usually thrown away and end up in landfills, where they generate methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Switching to alternatives such as cloths and reusable wipes can greatly reduce this environmental impact. Cloths, whether made from cotton, bamboo, or other natural fibers, are an excellent replacement for paper towels. Unlike disposable paper towels, which are used once and then discarded, cloths can be washed and reused multiple times, significantly reducing the amount of waste generated. They are highly absorbent and durable, making them ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from drying dishes to wiping down kitchen counters. Cotton cloths are particularly popular for their softness and absorbency, while bamboo cloths are known for their eco-friendliness due to bamboo's rapid growth and minimal environmental impact. Choosing cloths made from organic cotton or sustainable bamboo further enhances their environmental benefits, as these materials are grown without the use of harmful pesticides or chemicals. Reusable wipes are another practical alternative to paper towels. These wipes, which are often made from biodegradable materials, can be used in much the same way as traditional paper towels, but are designed to be washed and reused repeatedly. Reusable wipes are particularly useful for tasks such as cleaning up spills, wiping surfaces, or even cleaning windows and mirrors. Many reusable wipes are machine washable, making them easy to clean and maintain, and they often come in multi-packs, so that there is always a clean one ready for use. Like cloths, reusable wipes reduce the demand for single-use products and help cut down on the waste that ends up in landfills. Both cloths and reusable wipes can be incorporated into daily routines with minimal effort, making them a practical and environmentally friendly choice. To maintain hygiene, they can be washed in hot water after use, ensuring that they remain clean and ready for the next task. Some households choose to keep a small stack of clean cloths or wipes in the kitchen or bathroom for easy access, while storing dirty ones in a dedicated laundry basket until they are ready to be washed. By doing so, households can seamlessly transition away from paper towels without sacrificing convenience or cleanliness. Another advantage of using cloths and reusable wipes is the potential cost savings over time. While the initial investment in cloths or wipes may be higher than buying a roll of paper towels, the long-term savings are significant. A set of reusable cloths can last for years, whereas a single-use roll of paper towels needs to be repurchased regularly. By switching to reusable options, households not only reduce their environmental impact, but also save money in the long run. In addition, reusable wipes and cloths can often perform better than paper towels, particularly for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, as they are more absorbent and durable. In situations where disposable products are necessary or preferred, there are also more sustainable paper towel alternatives available. For example, some brands offer paper towels made from recycled paper or sustainably sourced materials. These products help to reduce the demand for virgin paper and minimize the environmental impact of paper towel production. However, even with recycled or eco-friendly paper towels, the goal should be to reduce overall consumption and prioritize reusable alternatives whenever possible. Reducing paper towel use also encourages a shift towards a more mindful approach to consumption. Paper towels are often used out of habit, even when a reusable option would suffice. By making a conscious effort to use cloths or wipes instead, individuals can begin to develop more sustainable habits that extend beyond cleaning. This mindset of reducing waste and opting for reusable solutions can be applied to other areas of life, from reducing plastic use to choosing sustainable packaging. In summary, reducing paper towel use and opting for alternatives like cloths and reusable wipes is an effective way to minimize environmental waste and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Cloths and reusable wipes are durable, versatile, and easy to incorporate into everyday routines, offering both environmental and financial benefits. By making the switch, households can significantly reduce their reliance on single-use products, helping to conserve natural resources and cut down on the waste that ends up in landfills. Furthermore, this shift towards reusable alternatives encourages a more mindful approach to consumption, supporting broader efforts to live more sustainably.